1990 Topps Super Jumbo Pack. It's going to be 106 cards plus 2 special glossy rookie cards. You get 2 of them in this pack. You also get some gum. And we've got our chaser. So let's take a look and see what we can find in this 1990 Topps Super Jumbo Pack. Take a look at this first section. There is our 1989 Glossy Rookies card of Greg Jeffries, or one of 2. Looks like it's a single asterisk version, and looks like the top corner's slightly bent there. And then we also have Joey Bell's Glossy 89 Rookies card. Another single asterisk version. We'll have to fix those top corners. Don't look like they're too bad, so the cards are definitely salvageable. For cards, we've got Terry Leach. Looks like a little bit of an ink smudge there. All-Star National League of Tony Gwynn, very nice. Rick Aguilera. All-Star American League of Brett Saperhagen. All-Star American League of Carlton Fisk. Number 1 draft pick card of Jeff Judden. 89 record breaker card of Cal Ripken Jr. Very nice. We'll take that card. Card number 8, which is his uniform number. All-Star American League of Wade Boggs. Maybe we're getting the hot cards done in the beginning. Future Star card of Mark Gardiner. Juan Bell. Kevin Wickender. Carlos Quintana. Goose Gazzo. Tim Leary. Ken Patterson. Kurt Ford. Rick Lukin. Tom Peckinozzi. Kent Herbeck. Mike Jeffcoat. John Smoltz. Very nice on that John Smoltz. A little bit blurred. May have to toss that card. I don't know if it's easy to tell on the video, but it's a little bit blurred. That sucks. Gene Larkin. Nick Esaski. Jody Reed. Dave Righetti. Steve Farr. Andy Allenson. Rich Yett. Pete Smith. Cecil Espy. Ricky Henderson. Very nice. Rest in peace to Ricky. Chris Sabo. Mike McFarlane. Felix Furman. Steve Frey. Carlton Fisk. Very nice on the base card. So we picked up his all-star and his base card. Todd Benzinger. Gerald Young. Jack Armstrong. Rick Roden. Teddy Huguara. Craig Biggio, not going to be his rookie card, but very cool nonetheless. Looks like about a third-year card for Craig. Fred Tolliver. Pedro Guerrero. Rick Cerone. John Smiley. Steve Lake. Rafael Belliard. Manager of the San Diego Padres at the time, Jack McKeon. Randy Bush. Mark Davis. Manager of the Chicago White Sox at the time, Jeff Torborg and Jay Tibbs. All right, so what did we get off that first section? We picked up Carlton Fisk's base card, very nice. Ricky Henderson, rest in peace, stolen base king. 89 record breaker of Cal Ripken Jr., and it's card number 8, which is his uniform number. Picked up some all-stars. We got Wade Boggs, Carlton Fisk, Brett Saperhagen, and Tony Gwynn. And then, of course, those 2 glossy rookies, with just very minor corner issue on one, it looks like, Joey Bell and Greg Jeffries. All right, let's take a look at this second section, which has the gum in it, which which means we're going to have some gum dust. Try to get some of that gum dust off. How's that gum looking, y'all? Oh, it's looking good. Oh, yeah, that's key. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, that's stale. About as stale as I get. All right. Start out with Sergio Valdez. All-Star National League of Joe McGrain. Dale Sven. Checklist 5 of 6. Nice. All-Star American League, Kirby Puckett. We'll take that one for sure. Paul Stevenson. All-Star American League of Julio Franco. Francisco Cabrera. I thought he played for Syracuse. That name sounds very familiar. 1989, and that would have been the time that I went to MacArthur Stadium in Syracuse, New York to watch the Syracuse Chiefs. Let's put him up there. I remember them. I remember announcing his name when he was up to bat. Mookie Wilson. Was he? No, okay. Thought maybe he was Syracuse too. Mike Marshall. Floyd Bannister. Manager of the Milwaukee Brewers at the time, Tom Trepplehorn. Doug Jones. Mike Sharperson. Fred Manrique. Dave West. Gary Milkey. Dave Leeper. Jack Clark, phenomenal player there for the Padres. We'll put him up there, what the hell. Jesse Barfield. Rick Ruschel, or Rushell. Roberto Alomar, he was a great player. Eric Hansen. Dennis Rasmussen. Steve Sachs. Rich Gedman. Andre Thomas. Jimmy Key. Don August. Pat Borders. Mike Henneman. Pat Tabler for the Royals. I remember him being for the Indians. Topps All-Star Rookie Gold Cup card of Gary Sheffield. This won't be his rookie card. It's going to be his second-year card, but still cool nonetheless. We'll put it up there. Frank Williams. Billy Spears. Pete Harnish. Jeff Brantley. Brady Anderson. Gary Ward. Frank White. Manager of the Seattle Mariners at the time, Jim Lefevre. Dave Cochran. Damon Berryhill. Greg Swindell. Mel Hall. Lance McCullers. Brian Smith. Terry Mulholland. Franklin Stubbs. Spike Owen. Dave Valley. Ron Hesse. And finally, Jody Davis. Yeah, that first section had more of the hits, if you want to call it. What did we get in the second section? We picked up Jack Clark and Syracuse Chiefs native Francisco Cabrera. Also picked up Gary Sheffield's Gold Cup card. It's going to be a second-year card. And Roberto Alomar, always a favorite. All-Stars of Julio Franco, Kirby Puckett, rest in peace to Kirby, and Joe McGrain. There you have it, folks. 1990 Topps. 106 plus 2 cards, Super Jumbo Pack. We actually have a couple of these in the stash. Haven't done one of these in a while, so stay tuned. We're going to pull 2 packs from the Wax Pack box of 1990 Topps Traded. Thanks for watching and stay safe.